to create a lightning animation like that. I made it using After Effects with the Saber plugin from Video Copilot. The first thing to do, create a new composition. After that, create a new solid layer. I'll name it Lightning. On the Lightning layer, create an abstract line using the pen tool. If it's done, open the mask path settings. Create a new keyframe at the initial duration. In the next few frames, add a new keyframe to animate it. If you have trouble when you move parts of the path, select Mask Feather first, and then change some points of the paths. Make variations so that the path looks moving. In the next few frames, animate the path section again. The next step, add the Saber effect. In the Saber effects settings, we can change the color. In Core Type, choose Layer Masks. On Flicker Intensity, I'll change the value to 300%. On Flicker Speed, I set the value to 30. I'm going to move the placement of the keyframes in Mask Path. In Distortion Amount, I increase the value to 10. I will use the Energy option for Distortion type. In here, we can change the value for Noise Speed. Uncheck the Blend on Top section. Activate the keyframe on N offset at the initial duration. Change the value to 0. And in the next few frames, return the value to 100%. Activate the stopwatch on Glow Intensity and Core Size. For the initial keyframe on Glow Intensity, I changed it to 60. For Core Size, I changed it to 1.40. In the next few keyframes, increase the Glow Intensity and Core Size values to make them glow. Move to the next few frames, and change the Glow Intensity value back to normal. The same method is also used to set the Core Size value. In order for the lightning bolt to fade at the end, we only need to set the Core Size value. If there are settings that are not quite right, you just change the placement on each keyframes. The last step, we just need to remove the black screen. To do that, change the Composite Settings option from black to transparent. And now, we just need to import this composition into the project we're working on. And the result will be like this. That's how to make lightning in After Effects using the Saber effect. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.